Welcome back to the channel. With all the hype around Siri AI lately, have you been tempted to update to iOS 27? I've been testing it for a while now, and overall, it's actually been a pretty good experience. But there's one problem some users are running into during the update process. If your iPhone gets stuck on the Apple logo after installing iOS 27, and it just sits there for minutes or even hours without moving, chances are the update didn't complete properly. One of the most common reasons is that your iPhone was running low on storage space, causing the firmware installation to get stuck midway through the process. The good news is, there are a few things you can try before assuming the worst. In this video, I'll show you 3 ways to get your iPhone out of the Apple logo screen and back up and running. Let's start with the easiest one. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. This only takes a few seconds. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding it, even if the screen goes black, until the Apple logo appears again. This method is great for fixing temporary system freezes, minor software glitches, or update hiccups. Method 2. Repair using iTunes or Finder. First, connect your iPhone to your computer. Now repeat the same button sequence. Press volume up, then volume down, and then hold the side button. The difference this time is that you'll keep holding the side button longer. Instead of restarting, your iPhone should enter recovery mode. Once your computer detects the device, you'll see 2 options: update or restore. I recommend trying update first. This reinstalls iOS without erasing your personal data. In many cases, that's enough to fix a failed update. However, if update doesn't work, your only option may be restore. Just keep in mind that restore will erase everything on the device and return it to factory settings. So if you'd rather avoid that risk, check out Method 3. Method 3. Use ReiBoot to repair your iPhone. ReiBoot is a professional iOS repair tool designed to fix issues like devices stuck on the Apple logo, recovery mode loops, black screens, failed updates, and many other system problems. One of the biggest advantages is its standard repair mode, which can often fix iOS issues without deleting your data. I've left the download link in the description below. To get started, connect your iPhone to your computer and launch ReiBoot. Click Start Repair, then choose Standard Repair. Next, download the recommended firmware package. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, click Start Standard Repair. ReiBoot will automatically analyze the device and repair the system. When the process finishes, your iPhone will restart automatically. If everything goes as planned, it should boot back into iOS normally. Before we wrap up, here's one more tip. If your iPhone got stuck during the iOS 27 update because storage was nearly full, make sure you free up some space before attempting the update again. Delete unused apps, old videos, or large files so the installation has enough room to complete successfully. And that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helped you get your iPhone working again. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.